This is how you can connect your Airtable account to Google Calendar using make.com. So what you are going to do now is to first of all create an Airtable account. Just come over to Google and type in airtable.com. okay, just come here and type in Airtable, click on it and sign in, create an account with it. And when you have done that, you're going to come over to your base and you create a base. Okay, let me just go off here now. So when you come to your dashboard here now, what you're going to do is you're going to create a workspace. This is my workspace. And after you have created your workspace, and also make sure you name your workspace. When you come here now, you see your workspace. Make sure you name your workspace. This is how you can name your workspace. Come to these three dots and click on it. You see rename workspace. Then you can name your workspace anything you want to name it. Alright, then after that you can now create a base. How do you create a base? Just come over here, click on this create, and then start from scratch. And when you come there, you see it will bring you here. Now it will bring you to this table. Alright, I've already created a base, so I'll just go over to this one that I've already created, click on it and enter. So when you come here now, remember that we are building an event management. So I named my base event management, and then name my table, the first table event, then the name here. Then here now I named it event name, the start date, the end date, the attendees, the signed to calendar, description, created time. So this is just what will appear on our calendar if you are trying to build, if we want to create an event for a particular event. Maybe let's say that we want to create an event for making plans. Let's say we want to make plans and we want to create this event. So I'm going to name my event name making plans. So after that, I'm going to choose my start date, when I want it to start. Let's say 7th of June. Then it's going to be starting by 9 a.m. and our end date is going to end by let's say 11:30, and then our attendee will be the same email. Let's just populate it here, and then yes, our description can also be making plans. So just copy it and come here. It can be anything for you, but I'm just putting it like this. And then you need to created time, so that you will know when this event was created here. Alright, so after you have done this, let's go over to our make.com. So the same thing, just create an account on make.com. okay, when you create an account, let's just go over to, let's just start afresh. Let me start again. Yes, so yes, okay, so you come here and click on create new scenario. Alright, when you click on create new scenario, you now see something like this. Alright, so after you have done that, you click on Airtable. This is Airtable. Click on Airtable, and we are going to choose our trigger will be watch record. Then when you click on watch record, it's going to, because I've already connected this here, it's going to tell you to connect your Airtable to make. So what you do is you're going to see let me okay, yes, you see this thing here, connection type. What you're going to click on is Airtable Oath. Click on it. When you click on it, because I've already connected my own, when you click on it, you will see where it will show you to add. So let me just try and click on, let me know if it will connect. Okay, let me see if it connects. So when you come here now, you see this. Yes, you see this now. Click on this, add all resources, and also click on add a base. So choose the base now. You're going to choose the base you have already created in your Airtable. I'm going to choose this one, and I will grant access. All right, I'm going to grant access, and when it grants access, it's going to verify it immediately. So after that, we are going to choose our base. I remember our base is event management. You choose it, and then the table is events, yes, and then you choose the trigger. Created time, remember that we created a field called created time. Just click on it, come here and choose start date. Then you can give this any limit, but I'll just leave it at 10, and that's all. So after that, after creating the limits, you now click on save. When you click on save, it will ask you to choose where to start to run it, to test this. So click on all and now save. When you save it, you now click on it again. You now right click and then click on run this module. So it's working, right? It's working. So we are now going to connect our Google Calendar. By then, make sure that you have already created your Google Calendar, like you have already logged in and set up your Google Calendar. Now choose your calendar. So go back to your make, and now come here and search for Google Calendar. All right, choose Google Calendar, and now our trigger will be create an event. So it will ask you here now, because I've already added my own, but for you, you need to add it. Click on add, then sign in with Google. All right, it will take you here. This is where you will now see where to add your account. Then click on your account, and click on continue. Then it will take you to the next place where you will now click on yes, it says make has already has some access. So but you see where a box that you just click on, and then click on continue. Then it will continue and verify. Then leave this as in detail, and then connect your calendar ID. Remember that the one we are choosing is our primary calendar, so choose your primary calendar, which is your email, and then connect the event name. Remember the event that we just created. So event name is the name here. Just map it, click on it, then map it. Then start date is this start date here, map it. And then end date, you see end date here, map it. Then go over here, you see show advanced settings, map it. Go and then map your description. All right, then after that, you click on save. When you click on save, we need to run it. Okay, we need to test run it. Then come here and click on run once. Okay, let's run this. We need to run this module first before we continue. Then here now, you need to map what you want. You need to map what you want make to watch. So here now, go over to your event, and now copy this event name. Come back here, because I've already mapped it. Come back here and click on it and write your event name, your start date, then your end date, and your description. Your description can be the same with your event name, but if you are working with a client, it might be different. So now click on OK. Let's test it. So it's now working. If you go back to your Google Calendar, you see here why is like this is because I have worked on it. This is the third time I'm working on it. All right. So you see the event here. If you click on this event now, you see it. You see that it's populating here. All right. You see how it is here now. All right. Everything is just the way it is. You see that it's 1:26 a.m. to 4:00 p.m. So this is how you just create your Airtable to go calendar using make.com. If you have any question, please don't forget to ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.